Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to our new episode video review of this item that I purchased on AliExpress. I'm so overwhelmed to this online shopping store as a person who loves to shop online rather than going to the mall. They always offer the best deals that you can find in any shopping app online, from their fall sale up to 60% off, where you can collect lots of coupons that you can use when you get big discount every time you place an order. If you want to avail this offer, guys, often link is in the video description. Going back to the items that I ordered in AliExpress, this is a men's fashionable embossed shirts. I'm so amazed with this. The first that I saw it online. In fairness, guys, the product is nice. What you see is what you get. This t-shirt, guys, impresses with the high quality fabric, stylish design, and comfortable fit, making it a versatile choice for various occasions. Its thick and soft material provides warmth and comfort, ideal for cooler weather. Besides, guys, the unique design and relaxed fit make it suitable for casual outing and gifting. I really love it. Uniqueness and high quality. With its eye-catching design, this t-shirt is sure to make a statement. For me, guys, embossed t-shirt design is better for their premium tactile feel, modern aesthetic, and long-lasting durability. That's why it's so unique and look understated, sophisticated in class, making them ideal for minimal too. Its branding really stand out from the crowd. The design of these shirts, clothes like definitely I love the white color it is, and its embossed letter design creates visual interest, subtle yet destructive style. Besides, embossing is an ink-free decoration method which make is a smart and sustainable choice. The technique works best with simple, bold graphics, creating a sleek and refined appearance. That's why I love it. If you feel the same way, grab now an AliExpress app. Thank you, guys. Adios.